Good day everyone, good day Miss Iskuton. My stand on current issues in the Philippines. Today, I stand to voice my opinion on some of the raising issues in our country. Ghost flood control projects, substandard infrastructures, and higher tax among Filipino workers and consumers. First, the ghost flood control projects reflect corruption and lack of accountability in the government office. Funds that should be protect communities from disaster are being wasted. I believe there is more be strict accounting, transparency in public works, and severe punishment for those involved in fake project. Second, substandard infrastructures like weak classrooms, roads, and bridges put people's safety at risk. This problem shows poor monitoring and Greek. My recommendation is to ensure that every public project undergo quality inspection and that only trusted and qualified constructors are choosing. Lastly, the issue of higher tax burdens. Ordinary workers and consumers, it widens inequality and lessen the value of the hard-earning money. I suggest that instead of raising tax, the government should focus on efficient spending, racking and down of the tax evasion by corruption. In the end, despite challenging, I believe there is hope. Filipinos are more aware, courageous, and demanding honesty from their leaders.